Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So as I always tell you, tags are super powerful if you use them correctly in any type of platform, social media, selling platforms. But in today's small tutorial, we are talking on how to use Etsy tags to get found in search. So I'm talking about the Etsy platform. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with all of this by opening your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for Etsy or Etsy.com, then open the platform by tapping on this website, log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. So as you see here, I have access to this shop manager, and that's what we want. We're gonna go and tap on shop manager, so we can scroll all the way down to see tags section. Then use all 13 tags, useful phrases, not single words. Then avoid repeating words already in categories. Also match tags to your title keywords. As for the best practice, think like a buyer, not a seller. And for an additional pro tip, if a keyword is in your title, also include it in tags for stronger signal alignment. So I will repeat this again. All we're gonna do is access the shop manager, since shop manager is what we want. We can change whatever we want in our shop, including basically products and all of this. Tags also. So we're gonna open shop manager, go and look for tag section, then use full phrases, not single words, to fill all of the 13 tags places. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.